My composter is 3 4x4x4 foot bins, and whenever I mow, I take the cut up grass, or grass clippings as they might be called, and I put them in the bin that's all the way to the right, so the new material goes all the way to the right. And then I take my hoe and I flatten out the top so that water runs down through it instead of off of it. And when the bin to the right is full, and it's been sitting there for a while, and really when I finally get around to it, I take all that stuff and I turn it into the bin in the middle. And once I have it all turned into the middle bin, I flatten out the top and then I spray it.
And then after another while, how long? I don't know, a while, I take the compost and turn it from this bin into this one. After another month or so, the compost will look like this. And now I want to screen it. And in the middle bin, I've got my screen set up at an angle with some buckets underneath. And so the fine, small compost that I want to keep will fall through, get collected in the buckets, and what falls around I'll just shovel up and put back in the buckets. And the big stuff will fall down here, and I'll take that and put it back into the first bin to start the whole process over again. After a whole lot of shoveling and screening, I end up with the chunky stuff on top of the new material in the first bin, and I end up with a whole lot of buckets of relatively fine compost that I can now use in my garden. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.